e mo kwa ba be ever faking twi dwuma de so why me se na so mo na share wo dwuma de so any video me be show so open so to Netflix account, Instagram account, Facebook account, and any account be a Spotify. Like you bet me your Netflix account, it be a $1, it be a $2. That's 10 Ghana cedis, 6 Ghana cedis. Any video me be show website be a anyhow you bet me first so account we cheap prices. So person what talk accounts na me di kind of boss be a Netflix account, it be a Instagram account, Spotify account be a open game after like our website we are more offer all the services. So open website need the z2u.com z2u.com. Me leave your descriptions in and say me back to video na say oko website here omutimi offer payment gateway near. First, no more for PayPal, but recently our issue be with because we say all the PayPal card there, make us say with the PayPal card there. Later, what me yeah na why then what me nya usika back no. Nti say no more jai. And no just say omo fake. Obi make us say be a auto Netflix account. Netflix account we men share login and I say me change password no. Nipa no better no change password no. But nipa no not on because of so nim say we use PayPal na or yeah obi nya nisika back ninti no or yeah no a logic complaint anytime your website near any issues but we no say no we use Visa card, Mastercard, it be a bank transfer now they are top sa account to very cheap prices or more for products be brave or website or and visit our website we are media more secure because for the previous years in year one I am to Netflix account with me to one am ton we bet me your business we ton Spotify account Netflix account now we ton cause we bet me we be 5 cedis we bet me we be 6 cedis what I say now we ton e be 20 Ghana cedis 30 Ghana cedis a very good business. So this particular video we more focus about jobs no nti we bet me the website why dey your business we ton no at all, now they are your business today. We be out there could be and you can see him no baby, no bit me a clicking the scanning a bank. See, we bet me a website when one go through. I did be out person to be ano. Wait me at our website. In case of say encounter issue be our website we are leave your comments in the photo video we are and we bet me you complain am I there on my website no. I hope someone near the video we home. Follow Tech in Tree or Facebook. Oko YouTube I subscribe the channel no. The videos are here. O Ghana habi awo ya de bia onim. Ate na wo ye no.